हाय गाइस, इस वीडियो में हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे ए.के. रामानुजन की बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग पोएम अ रिवर। हम लोग इसकी समरी देखेंगे और समरी कुछ पॉइंट्स के थ्रू हम कवर करने वाले हैं आज, ठीक है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट इट। इंट्रोडक्शन। अ रिवर इज अ पोएम ऑन द वेके विच फ्लोज थ्रू मदुराई, a city that has for about 2000 years been the seat of Tamil culture. Okay. रिवर अ रिवर जो पोएम है वो वैके एक रिवर है जो मदुरई में फ्लो करती है। और ये मदुरई क्या है, एक सिटी है दैट हैज़ फॉर अबाउट 2000 ईयर्स बीन द सीट ऑफ तमिल कल्चर। तो मदुरई जो है वो तमिल कल्चर का एक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट, तमिल कल्चर में एक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है और 2000 ईयर्स की इसकी हिस्ट्री है। द फ्लड्स इन द रिवर have killed many people at different times, but the old and new poets have remained indifferent to human loss of life and sufferings. तो ए.के. रामानुजन का ये पॉइंट है इस पोएम के थ्रू कि ये जो वैके रिवर है इसमें देर आर सो मेनी टाइम्स व्हेन फ्लड्स हैव कम and it has killed many people different at different times. बट जो ओल्ड एंड न्यू पोएट्स हैं उन्होंने देवर इनडिफरेंट, देव एज इफ उन्हें इन चीज़ों से कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता। हाउ द ह्यूमन लॉस इज़ देयर, लॉस ऑफ लाइफ एंड सफरिंग्स आर देयर, दे आर indifferent to all these problems, whereas they talk about the temples, the beauty of the city of Madurai, but they do not talk about the floods and the loss and sufferings which is created by this river. Okay, so now let's see themes in the poems of new poets. Now A.K. Ramanujan says कि जो न्यू पोएट्स हैं उनकी पोएम्स में थीम क्या होते हैं जनरली। तो मदुरई इज़ फेमस फॉर वेरी ओल्ड टेम्पल्स एंड पोएट्स। दीज पोएट्स रोट पोएम्स अबाउट सिटीज़ एंड टेम्पल्स। तो मदुरई फेमस है अपने ओल्ड टेम्पल्स के लिए और अपने पोएट्स के लिए। तो ये जो पोएट्स हैं वो क्या लिखते हैं, दे टॉक अबाउट, दे राइट अबाउट सिटीज़ एंड टेम्पल्स ओनली। They describe how every summer a river flowing through Madurai is reduced sorry, is reduced to a trickle in the sand. तो ये बताते हैं कि कैसे समर में इट कन्वर्ट्स टू अ इनटू अ ट्रिकल इन द सैंड, और ये बिल्कुल क्या हो जाती है, डिसअपियर होने की उस पर एज पर आ जाती है। फिर ये लोग बताते हैं, ये जो न्यू पोएट्स हैं ये बोलते हैं कि दे ऑल्सो डिस्क्राइब हाउ आफ्टर समटाइम्स इट इज़ फ्लडेड विद रेन वाटर। सो दिस इज़ द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ, और दिस इज़ द एट्रीब्यूट ऑफ एनी रिवर। In summers it is hardly visible, whereas when the rains come, what happens, these are flooded with rainwater. So when Veke river is reduced to a narrow stream, its water cannot pass through the water gates because these are clogged with piles of straw and women's hair. So when it is reduced in sorry, when it is reduced in narrow stream, its water even cannot pass through the water gates because these water gates are clogged with the piles of with the piles of straw and women's hair. So ultimately we see that although it has turned into a narrow stream, then also it cannot pass due to the piles of straw and women's hair. So here we can say that we can see that how people pollute the river, and even when the small stream or narrow stream is there, then also the water cannot pass. The bridges over the river have many patches of repair. Okay, so these poets talk about the patches which are there in the bridges and they need repair. Next is the bridge stone. The bridge stones which become wet glisten like sleepy crocodile. Okay, so when this these bridge stones or these stones which are there in the bridge, they become wet, they glisten or they shine like sleepy crocodile. It seems that the back of crocodile is visible in the from the water. Next, they talk that while the dry stones retain their dull color and look like water buffaloes lounging in the sun. And we have seen, or whenever we go to countryside, we see that many buffaloes are there, and they are lounging in the sun. They are enjoying the river water. So it is happening here that dry stones, when water is very shallow, these dry stones retain their dull color and they look like buffaloes which lounge in the sun. So however, A.K. Ramanujan says that these poets wrote poems only about the floods. So they write about the floods, but what kind of destructions are created by floods, they do not talk about it, and this is the concern of A.K. Ramanujan. Now, what does he say and what is his point of view? We are going to see. So, one more point of view is there of a stranger. He comes there, he enjoys the city, Madurai, and what does he say when he sees the flood? He says that there was enough flood water in the river to inspire the poets to compose poems almost every year. So it is the cause of inspiration for poets to write poem on this river, composed a poem every year. Within the first half an hour, the flood water swept away three village houses, two cows, and a pregnant woman who would have given birth to two identical twins with no moles on their body. So, this is the perception, or this is the imagination, I would say, of a stranger after seeing the situation during flood. So, within half an hour, the flood water was sweeping away three village houses, two cows, and a pregnant woman who could give birth to two identical twins with no moles, with no identity on their body. Any kind of birthmark is not visible on their body. So, here we can say that the stranger even can understand what is happening and what kind of destruction is created by river during floods, but it is not absorbed or it is not understood by all the poets because they do not talk about the destruction, whereas they talk about the flood only. Ramanujan's view: the new poets of the city simply quoted the old poets about the floods, but they did not compose a poem about the pregnant woman drowned in the floods with twins in her womb, kicking at blank walls even before birth. Okay, so Ramanujan is being so critical, and he says that new poets are only mentioning the works of old poets about the floods, but they did not compose a poem about the pregnant woman who drowned in the floods, and she had twins in her womb. They both the twins were kicking at the blank walls even before birth. So this is how uh, they were also having inside. They were also having that kind of confusion, and they were kicking in the womb of their mother and they wanted to come out but they couldn't come, and this is how they both die with their mother. So it's a matter of pity when people are indifferent. Poets are even indifferent to the situation and they are just mentioning the things for the sake of doing, whereas they are not at all concerned about the situation. Okay, so this is the poem A River by Ramanujan. That was a quick summary of this topic. I hope you have understood the topic, and if you have liked the video, share it with your friends, hit the like button. If you have